Good morning. Well, we made it to Thursday of Warriors Road to College week. And I'm wearing my fourth garment here. For my fourth child, I went to college. Remember, I started at the University of Dubuque, and then my Mercy University, those are where my two boys went. And my youngest daughter went to Hamlin, and that was my sweatshirt yesterday. And my oldest daughter went to Notre Dame University, and that's the fleece I'm wearing today. I've given you a few facts about the various colleges, and Notre Dame has pretty high average ACT required for men. So this is not required, but the average is 32 to 34. So pretty high end ACTs required for that. That doesn't mean that 27s, 28s, 29s, 30s wouldn't get in if you have other outstanding qualities, but the average is 32 to 34. We know for sure we have one student there, Joe Barry, the second of the Barry family to be at Notre Dame and graduating soon. Second or third? Maybe I'm one off. Notre Dame has many interesting facts, but one of them is the longest running marching band in existence. They've had a marching band at Notre Dame longer than any other college in America. And the same engineer that designed Yankee Stadium and Fenway Park also designed Notre Dame Stadium, which is called the house that Rock built, Rockney, and the famous picture of Jesus Christ and the mosaic on another building that's called Touchdown Jesus that the players see as they come out of the locker room. All iconic features of Notre Dame University. And you may have seen the movie Rudy, and that's based on the story about a Notre Dame football player. So that's your facts about Notre Dame. Tomorrow I'm going to wear something about a school I actually went to myself. Counselors will be in the computer. I don't have any counselors here, do we? They will actually be in the computer lab now next period during both lunches to help you with applications. And we've been visiting classes, talking with seniors for a couple of weeks now, full time almost. And a lot of you still need to get that done. Listen up, when you apply to a college, that doesn't mean you're going there. That just means you're starting the process. So it'd be a good thing. We're hoping that 3/4 of our seniors have applied to at least one college by the end of this week. Tomorrow there's a special event in the little theater or auditorium, I'm not sure which, little theater during warrior time, and we'll tell you more about that tomorrow. All students on the speech team who have not stopped into Mrs. Tinkham's room, she hangs out in room 218, to sign the roster this week and get a schedule, must see her today, or you may not be able to stay in your group. Rehearsals have started for all groups, so if you've not checked in this week with Mrs. Tinkham, do that soon, like maybe right after these announcements are over. Birthdays today: to Shayla Hurd, Spencer Henningsen, Valerie Hootman, Jay Gunjohan, Shondell Williams Jr., and Cameron Williams. Happy birthday to all 6 of you. Robotics, after school today and tomorrow, 103. Study table, after school today, last day of the week for study table, 118B. ACDEC, today after school at 148. And don't forget, tomorrow is the last day to bring food for the can drive. And I'll tell you more about the Iowa Caucus mock caucuses tonight if I have a second. Lunch today, super lunch, kind of their Thanksgiving meal. Turkey gravy with mashed potatoes and hot roll, but you can still choose a spicy chicken patty or Asian rice bowl or a grilled cheese sandwich or a sub. I'll be back if I have time. Harrison.
Hello, there is an improv show tonight at 7 p.m. in the Little Theater. We hope we can see you all there. It's free and it's a lot of fun.
If you want to laugh your socks off, come.
Yep. And anyone performing in the show, we will be meeting at 6 o'clock in the Little Theater. So if you're performing in the improv show, 6 o'clock Little Theater. Otherwise, 7.
Hi, photo club today at 3:15 at 3:15 to 4:30, and it's in the
Survey your lab.
come join us. It'll be a lot of fun.
Cheerleaders are selling rally towels again. They're $5, and we're selling them today and tomorrow in the main foyer.
Two things. First, if you're in my 5th hour 9th grade language arts class, we are meeting in the computer lab, room 133 today. Second thing, after school today, Young Feminists in room 155. We'll meet until about 3:45. We're going to be talking about officer elections and service projects that we can do. Look forward to seeing you there.
Thank you, Mr. Clancy, and I do have time for a couple more announcements. Are you interested in how the Iowa caucuses work? Well, tonight's the night. Many of you pre-registered for the mock caucuses earlier, but even if you did not, you're still able to attend tonight. It's organized by the Lynn County Republicans and Democrats, and you'll participate in mock caucuses for each party. You'll learn how the Iowa caucus works, and also cast your votes for the candidates of your choice in both parties. The Secretary of State's office will tabulate the results statewide and announce them later that night. So come to the Washington cafeteria at 4:30 to register. A light dinner will be served. The actual caucus begins at 5:30. Mr. Mason Marshall, the other announcement?
Just real quick.
Okay, hurry right on.
GSA will be meeting. Sorry. GSA will be meeting in my room today, 228. So yeah, make it if you can.
And I think now we have it all covered. Maybe I could give this one more time. iCheck is hosting a fundraiser to duct tape Dr. Nyberg to the wall. A buck buys you a strand of duct tape. Duct taping will take place next Friday, and iCheck this Friday, tomorrow. And iCheck officers are still selling tickets during both lunches. Thanks to the counselors for all their work here for Warriors Road to College Week, and hopefully we've really stimulated the thinking of lots of seniors, and you're thinking about getting that application process underway. Very impressed with what I've heard from a lot of you, so we need to keep it going. Thank you for your attention to these Thursday morning announcements.